Hello. So I had a couple videos about Unreal Engine 4 modding that are outdated at this point. I hid them, don't even bother looking. Um, but it was targeted more for a niche game that didn't really uh, garner much um, of a player count. So I'm going to do something more generic this time, um, so more people see it, hopefully. And this, like I said, Unreal Engine 4. There are it can be applicable to Unreal Engine 5, but it kind of depends. It's just, especially because Unreal Engine 5 uses IO Store. Uh, let's actually just delete all that. A lot of the time. Anyway, so we're gonna just jump into it, and we'll just search Unreal Engine modding tools and find Buckminster Fullerene's GitHub page. He is one of the admins for the Unreal Engine modding Discord, where a lot of the creators for tools and people smarter than me stay there. So we're just gonna get Unreal Pack here. It doesn't like that, so we'll just hit keep anywhere. And then I don't feel like looking through this, so I'm just gonna get search for it. Oops, F model. Um, they have their own website, and then you can download that. I already have it, so I'm not going to bother with that one. I actually have all this stuff, but I just particularly don't feel like doing that one. Not that it's hard or anything. Anyway, and we also want USG UI here, where we'll go to releases and get the latest, which is Alpha 8. Download that. All right, and then so what we're gonna want to do first is get these out here. If you can't open these, then you need 7-zip. It's a free program, not a big deal. Okay, so open that folder, drag these into here. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. You can always pause the video to see what I did. It's not that complicated. Anyway, so now let me just rename this one. It's stupid. Okay, so we have USGUI, and in here I have Unreal Pack. Then we need to get a game. So I'm going to do Deep Rock, Deep Rock Galactic here. It's in 4.27. You can manage browse local files if it's in Steam. And then so one thing to note here is we have the game name, which is in the common folder. And then we have the project name. The project name is kind of important. So FSD, well, you would go to content and packs, but we'll do that actually in a moment. So first go to binaries 164, and then just to check your version, if you're working with a different game, and then you go to properties, details, and this tells you exactly the engine version it's using. You don't have to worry about these less numbers, just the 4.27. That's the main thing. All right. And then, so like I said, go back to content packs, and we're gonna copy this directory, and go to F model. So I'm gonna use this one, right? And that is weird. It normally doesn't do that. Anyway, yeah, actually that's abnormal. So I'm gonna use this one. I think should open just normally. Yeah, there we go. Like I said, these are two different versions. One might be older. I don't know. So you open this, you won't have anything here in the archives. You'll have to go to directory selector, and then these three dots, and that's where you paste the thing. I already have it, so select the packs folder. I know for this one it asks for the other one that I opened asks for a version number. So if that's the case, then you'll just specify the version. For some reason, fmodel has 4.28, which doesn't exist, but I guess it works in this instance. So we'll just do OK, and then go open the pack, FSD content. And what we're going to look for in this example is a weapon. So weapons and tools. Let's go to like the assault rifle. If a folder has subfolders but also has stuff in the folder, like where it says a number here, to open this folder's content, you go to packages here. And then, so what we're going to do is scroll down, get this one, right click, and then export raw data. Then we can click on that to go directly to it. And we're just going to copy this. And, well, let's close out of that. And next, we want to go back to where we put Unreal Pack. And then we're going to create some folders. So first, you want to name whatever your mod name is. So I'm just going to put mod, but then you always add _p. That's really important. Otherwise, it doesn't get loaded. And then you want to recreate the hierarchy. So see, FSD content, blah, 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 you know, like that. So I'm going to do FSD, go in here, content, weapons, and tools, and assault rifle. And then we're going to paste these in. And if it's not associated already, like you don't have that question, I keep calling it question mark. It's magnifying glass. If you don't have that, then you'll go open with and choose another app, and you'll find USGUI wherever that is, and always use, and then do that. And then it might not be to your specific game's version initially, so you'll just hit the drop down and select whichever one it is, and then you should close and reopen so that it actually works. And then, so what we're going to do is go to the default class here and hit the plus, and then go here. The default class has a lot of the introduced variables for that specific file. Like if it, with Unreal Engine, there's a thing of inheritance. So like this might come from a parent class that's above it, like a root class basically. And that might have its own variables that this one doesn't override, so it won't show up here. So this isn't foolproof. There are some methods for more advanced modding, but they're kind of hard to access. But you can always ask about that in the Discord, which I don't know if I mentioned, but I'll put that in the description. It's the Unreal Engine modding Discord. And then, anyway, so let's see here. What we're going to do is go to max ammo, put like 1,000 or something, hit enter, and save it, close it, and then get rid of these backup files because there's no need for them. Sorry. And then go back to our root directory here, drag modp to with compression.bat, and now we have a mod file. All right. So now what we want to do is go back to our games packs directory, drag that in, and launch the game. So it was 360 before. This time it should be 1,000. So we'll just check that real quick.
Another day, another dime.
That'll be probably the end of this video, I think. Yeah, 1,000. All right, I'll do 4. And I might make another video for like maybe a different method of modding or something more specific, but that's the end of this one. So thanks for watching and goodbye.